it will be input field.
Okay.
It will be form. Okay.
Okay.
It will be header data table, and this is item data table. Okay.
Okay.
For every node we have to give the cardinality, so that for the form cardinality will be 1 to 1. For the table cardinality 1 0 to 0 to
N.
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 0 to n. Okay.
Okay.
In the input table we create a form with two attributes, VBELN
Okay.
high and okay.
Okay.
In the table we will take some fields. Here which field we will select here? Okay. After that, in that we have to select some fields, which fields we want in the table. Okay. It means we have to create a three things. One is form, and we have to create a two tables. Okay. For that we have to create a three node. One node for the form, second node for the header data table, and third node for the item data table. But
Okay.
this node will be under this node.
Okay.
It will be here.
Okay.
Will be nested node.
Okay.
Okay. For that we will use here VB okay, VB AP.
Okay.
Okay. Now start the application. Okay. Now go to component controller.
Okay.
First create a node.
Okay.
Create node.
Okay.
Okay. Node name input. Okay. We are not giving any dictionary structure. So click on OK only.
Okay. Okay.
If we give the any reference for the structure, then we have to select the, we have to give the name for structure. Now create
Okay.
attribute.
Okay.
Attribute name VBELN low. Okay,
Okay.
VBELN.
Okay.
Sorry, VBAK. Okay, click on OK. Create another attribute. Okay, now we have to create another node.
Okay.
Give the name
VB.
cardinality 0 to
N.
n.
0 to.
And now here we have to select the
And
okay.
yeah.
Now we have to create another node under
VB.
VBAK. Okay,
Okay.
but there should be a one field, common field,
Okay.
because without any common field we cannot select the record. So VBAP.
VB. Okay.
VBAP.
Okay.
Select a common field VBLN, then select any other field. Okay,
Okay.
one node is created under VBAP.
Okay.
Now save it. Go to layout part.
Okay.
Create a form. Okay, before creating form, first we create a group.
Great. Okay.
In the group, we create a form.
Very good.
So we didn't completed the context binding. So go to context,
Okay.
drag and drop the uh, just a minute, Bharti. Okay.
Yeah, yes, sir. Okay, okay.
Here,
Okay.
here, Bharti, this is the attribute VBLN low. So we have to
Okay.
give the type here, not a structure type. This is a structure type
Okay.
VBAK. We
Okay.
have to give the field name here, which field we are using.
Okay.
So VBELN.
Yeah. Okay.
VBELN. Okay. Save. Go to view,
Okay.
layout. Okay. Now in the group, we will create a form. To create a
Okay.
form, go to wizard,
Four.
click on form,
Okay.
select context.
Okay.
Which form we want? We want this
We.
football.
Okay.
Let me create again the form. No, Go to layout. Okay, click on OK. Now we didn't. We have to give the layout as a matrix layout. Okay, form is created. Okay. Now I will create a button, search button. Insert V1. Text search. Action. Search. Okay. Now after creating button, I want to display the table, header data table. So I will
Okay.
create a table. To create a table, go to wizard,
Okay.
click on table, click on context. Which table I want to create? VBFP or VBAK?
VBA, sir.
VBAK. So I will select the VBAK. Click on OK. Okay.
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 Sir, here, what are you doing? I think drag and drop or
Yeah. Here I drag and drop. I drag table to into group.
group. Okay.
Okay, so that the design will be good. And if you want to give a name for the header, here we can give the name header. Okay,
Okay.
here we can give the name.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
now after this I want to create a item table.
Okay.
For that I will create again table, create wizard, select wizard,
Okay. Okay.
table, context.
Okay.
Which table I want to create? VBAP.
Oh,
Select
VBA,
the,
sir.
yeah,
VBA.
select the table, then click on OK. Now again I will create a group. Okay, and give the name for the table header.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
now I want to get data from the on the basis of input fields. Okay.
Okay.
For that, I will call a method get data. For that, first I have to create a method.
Okay.
Okay, I will create a method at component controller level. Method get data. Click on this button. Okay. I have to get the data from the table on the basis of input field. So
Okay.
first of all, I have to capture the input field from the screen.
Okay.
Okay. So to capture the record from the screen, what I have to do?
Oh,
I want to capture record.
wizard
Wizard.
captured wizard. Yeah.
Then after
Read
read
table.
read plus table.
Yeah, context mapping.
Read plus table or only read.
Read plus table. So
You are selecting a record from the screen, single record or multiple record.
single record.
Then why the table?
Okay. Read only read.
Only read.
Okay.
Okay. Context. Which I have to select? Which node I have to select?
VBAK.
VBAK. What thing I want to capture from the screen? Which record I want to select
Input.
from?
Input.
Input. Okay.
Yeah.
After selecting data, I want to display the data on the table, in the table.
Okay.
After capture the input field, value from the screen, I want to display the record on the table. For that, I want to read the table or I want to set the table. What we need to display data in the table, I have to read or I have to set.
Set search.
Yeah, set. So go to wizard, then
Set. Okay, select this.
select set, then
Table.
yeah, good, table. Then select the context. Which node we have to select?
VBAK.
VBAK. Okay. Okay. Here, every time when we select table plus set plus table, the bind table method will be generated.
Okay.
Before bind method, every time we have to use select query.
Okay. Select.
Just a minute.
Yeah.
Okay. I want select record. Select from which table I want to select? VBAK. VBAK into internal table lt underscore vb ak. Now I have to give the condition because we are getting the data based on input field. Okay,
Okay.
where vbeln greater than equal to work area input field, which field vbeln low.
Okay.
Okay, and vbeln less than equal to ls input, which field
VB.
vbeln high.
Hi.
Okay, have you got this statement? I want to select the
Yeah,
data
yeah.
from the VBAK table.
Okay.
Okay, on the
Okay.
basis of
Okay.
condition, because there will be VBLN low and VBLN high. It means
Hi.
I want to capture the data between this range. Okay,
Okay.
the and field the value of VBLN should be greater than the VBLN low or equal to, and the should
VB.
be less than or equal to the value of VBLN high, which I enter in the field. Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
now save it. Okay, one another concept for this for this requirement, one important concept, supply function. Supply function. Okay,
Okay.
what is the role of supply function? It is a special type of method
Okay.
for node okay.
Okay.
The supply function is a important function. It is a special type of function for the node, and supply function can be used to get a item data or item record based on header record. So if I want to get the data based on header data, for that I have to create a supply function at a child node. Just a minute. Hello.
Sir.
Yeah. Okay. Supply function is used to get data based on the header data.
Okay.
Bharti, just wait 2 minutes. Just
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Okay. What is the role of the supply function? Okay. When we create a supply function, there will be some coding will be generated automatically. Okay. In that coding, the code will be available for capture the header data record, selected header data record. Okay. For capture selected header record from the parent node. Okay. And assigning or binding item data to the child node. Okay. How to create a supply function? To create a supply function, which data I want to as a item data in that node, I have to create a supply function. Go to component controller. Select VB API node. Okay.
Okay.
Here supply function is there. Okay.
Yeah.
After creating supply function, the code will be generated automatically.
Okay.
Then uncomment line from 13 to last. Okay,
Hmm.
here all things is there.
Sir, what
Yeah,
is that? Uncommon line?
yeah, yeah. Select the line. Just a minute. I put here. I giving the step here.
Okay.
Like go to child node and
Okay.
okay.
Yeah.
Double click on function. Supply function. Okay.
Okay.
Thirteen to here line 13 to 28.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Have you got it? This four step,
Yeah.
these four step we
Yes,
have
sir.
to implement. Okay.
Oh,
Okay. Now you can see here there is a bind method, bind table method.
yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Every bind before the every bind table method we have to put a select query. So
Okay.
here also we will write the select query. Okay.
Okay.
Select select from which table?
VBA.
VB.
AP.
Right. Uh, uh, what I have to write here? Tell me. Into corresponding field of table.
VBA. VBAK.
No, here will be internal table now.
Okay.
Here will be internal table. So LT
Okay.
will be AP.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now I have to given the condition because the data will be appear on the item table based on selected record.
Okay.
So VBELN equal to LS here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Which field? VBELN.
VB. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Because I told you code will be generated, capture the selected header record. Okay. At a parent node. So
Okay.
just here. Okay. The record is selected at a parent node. Okay. So the value of the parent node VBLN equal to the value of VBLN.
Okay.
Okay, on the basis of selected record, because selected record is available in that.
Okay.
Okay, this is complete.
Okay.
Okay, then save. Okay, select start. Okay, go to view one layout. Go to search method. Now I have to call the method get data method. How I will call the method?
Yeah, go to visa.
No.
Oh, okay, sir.
Currently I am in view controller. I want to call method of component controller.
Okay.
For that, wd underscore comp underscore controller.
Okay.
I have created get data method. If I created the method in the view level,
Okay.
then
Okay.
I will use wd this,
Okay.
because I am calling this method from the same controller. If I want to call the method from component controller, then I have to use wd underscore component comp underscore controller.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
save it. Now create application.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
I will enter the value here.
Okay.
Search. You are getting the data here. Okay,
Okay.
can you select any data? You are getting the data on the basis of header data. This is a header data. This is a item data. When you are selecting any header data, you are getting item data related to selected header data.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now we want to change some screen. Look here. This is a all three are in a single page.
Okay.
Okay, now I want all these things in a tab script form. Okay,
Okay.
it will be in a single. There will be a form, and these two things will be in
Mm.
tab script form.
Okay.
Okay. Copy the component. How to copy? Right click on component, click on copy, give new name here, one.
Okay.
Okay. Now we will change here.
Okay.
Remove the name here because in the tabular form we will give the name. So delete the name. There will be a UI element tab strip. Okay.
Okay. Mm.
Rename header data. Okay. HD.
Okay.
Okay. Drag and drop the first group into tab script one.
Okay.
Okay. And create again another. No, just a minute. Right click on tab strip. Insert tab.
Okay.
Okay. Then give the name of tab. Just, okay. Now drag and drop this group 1 2 into tab script.
Okay.
Okay, now create another table, tab script. Um, Okay, you can see here we have created two tab. Now this group I have to assemble this group into first tab and this group into second tab. So
Okay.
we can do very easy, drag and drop first tab
Okay.
and into second tab. Okay, save it. Now refresh the application. Okay, this is another application, so I have to active the application. Before execute, every time active the application.
Okay.
Okay, here you can see you can see the data here on the selected. You can see the item data.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
now close this, copy this component, copy the first component. Go to view label. Now what I want to do, there are three groups. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
my requirement is I want to see all these groups in an expandable form. When I will click here on the arrow, then it should be expand. Then I click on second arrow, then it should be
Okay.
extend. Okay.
Okay.
Go create a assemble a one UI element conceptual panel.
Okay.
In that I will create three area.
Okay.
A1, A2, A3, okay.
Yeah.
Now you can see here the size of the table is greater than the area. Okay, so I will increase the just a minute. go to construction panel and increase the size. 800. Okay, it is equal to, okay. Now all things can be appear here. Now you have to do only one thing, drag and drop. Drag group into area 1. Drag group 1 to area 2. Drag and drop.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Save it. Okay. Right click on group. Sorry. Right click on area. Okay. Click on insert header. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Then there is a option expandable header. Click
Okay.
on that. Here is a checkbox.
Okay.
Click on it. Okay.
Okay.
It means
Okay.
by default there will be no expandable header. If you want to expandable header, you can click on here. Okay. Then you want to title. Here you can put input field, input data for the second. Click on that. Header data. Now right click on third. Checkbox. Item data. Okay.
Yeah.
There is no table and there is no form.
Okay.
You can expand any form, anything here.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. Okay.
Okay. Now in future, after the application or maybe in next class, we will see if I do not want to see this table, I want to see only this table. And in the before starting, after just starting of the application, there should be only input field. There will be no header data table and there will be no item data table. Okay.
Okay.
When I will click on search button, the header data table will be appear. Okay. When I will click on header data item, any record, then item data table will be appear. So there will be some functionality visible, invisible, enable and disable. So we will see in later. Okay. For the today practice for this application and try to arrange the UI element according to your requirement. Okay. If you feel any problem, and we will discuss in the next class, but you have to practice.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Sir, actually, yesterday class we have one error, sir.
What? Tell me.
No. Yesterday you.
Yeah. I didn't check that. I didn't found the time. Okay. There's a
Okay.
there is some maybe some issue, but the procedure is
Okay.
same. You can practice on that.
Okay.
The
Okay.
procedure is
Okay. Sir.
complete procedure is same.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can do. You if you will try with the application. You will get properly.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay. Then first you try. If you get any issue, then tell me. I will solve your problem.
Okay, sir. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Bye for now.
Okay. Bye, sir.
Okay. Bye. Good night.